Everybody, Rob Roscob. Just come down the back with me here. I just heard a whole, he's my cat as well. I heard a whole heap of white cockatoos just landed down here. So let's go and check them out. Yep, there's one there. Oh, they're all there, yeah. So what we've got, hopefully we can zoom in. I've lost them already. Where are they? Oh yeah, there. Must be something on the grass that they've been eating, because they've been coming down here last few days. So there must be grass seed or something. There's one right there. Let's see if we can zoom in. See what he's feeding on. Definitely feeding on something on the grass there. You can hear him in the background. Hundreds of them, actually, at any one time can land on this field at the back here. Just show you how far away he is, but we'll still be able to get him. The other ones are still over there, and you can hear there's actually black, listen carefully, in the background, that's actually black, yellow-tailed black cockatoos as well in the background. Unbelievable, huh? Heaps of cockatoos here in Australia. But maybe we can a little bit close up and see what they're eating. Look a bit clumsy when they're walking along the ground, don't they? Let's see if there's any more. Oh, we got one right just here. What are you eating, mate? Hello, Coggy. What are you eating? Yeah, eating something on the grass there. The grass is starting to get longer now as spring has sprung. So there must be a particular seed that they're fancying at the moment on the grass. There's something up in the trees up here as well. See if we can spot it. You spot something there that I can't see? Alright, we've got the black ones here coming over now. Let's see if I can, if they land in those trees, it'd be perfect. Let's have a look. No, they're not. They've gone past the tree. Right there. Fortunately, they kept going. Very shy, the black ones. The white ones are quite friendly, but the yellow-tailed black cockatoo is always stays in groups, and really you can't really get any closer than about 20 meters to them before they'll fly up into the trees. Let's have another look what he's doing. you doing down there? Ah, yeah, shows that yellow. Yeah, that noise you hear in the background, that's the yellow. Oh, I've got one on the tree there. I should be able to get him. I put my camera against. Oh, a whole flock of them there. Black, yellow-tailed black cockatoos. If I can just... Why aren't you focusing? Focus. All that yellow-tailed black cockatoos. Just can't get them. Hopefully they'll land in the tree there. Yellow-tailed black cockatoos, they're going crazy, man. They don't really hang around with the white ones either. But all we need to do is for them to come into that tree. We'll be able to zoom in on them. As you can see, there's literally, oh, yep, in the tree there. Literally, can't get the words out of there. Literally 30. Hang on. Far away. Let me get a bit of a rest against the tree here. I should be able to get them better. I think they're gone now. Yeah, I think they've moved along. But imagine that. We've got the white ones and the yellow one, the white ones and the black ones all together. But far away, literally 200 meters away or more. They're up in the trees up there. Oh, there's one. Where's he going to go to? If he goes in the tree, I'll be happy, and we'll be able to get him. But no shortage of wildlife here in Australia. Should be able to get one here. And just rest against this tree. We should be able to get him. Oh, there he is. Alright, so it's... Where is he? I saw him before. There he is. Oh, there's two together, see? Is that two or one? Oh, just two. Yeah, that's one. So that's a yellow-tailed black cockatoo. Just hiding behind the tree there, we can't quite see him very good. But they're all cockatoos are eating something, aren't they? Sharpening their beak or eating something. Got another two here. So where are we? Yeah, right there. What's he eating? So that's what those birds were before. They were in the flock when they were flying. About 20 or 30 of these yellow-tailed black cockatoos. Imagine we've got this is unusual. We've got the black one and the white one nearly together. There's the white one. And they get along pretty well. The black one is oh, it just flew in some of the camera then seeing. There's the black one. Beautiful big yellow tail on him. Another beautiful bird right next to me. Sort of looks like an oversized budgerigar. Just abundance of wildlife here in Australia, right on my doorstep. But wherever you point the camera, you have wildlife, which is sort of unique to Australia, right? It's and I'm not in the bush, totally in the bush here. And we got a wood pigeon there, just landed. Let's see if we can. Yeah, the sun's gonna make it difficult for me to get him, but certain type of like a dove, like wood pigeon type, grey blue colour with that funny peak thing they got on the top. But they're just in the wrong angle to get him pointing nearly directly at the sun there. We still got the black cockatoos down here munching away. Now you heard another bird in the background, and that was I think that was the butcher bird, or the butcher bird, I think it was, with that like noise in the background. Tell you what, very hard to sleep in if you got your window open here around here. Oh, let's have a look at something on the tree up there. Let's see if we can get him. Don't know what it is. Oh, it's just a magpie. Oh no, it's a magpie. Honestly, probably I could sit here on my bench, look around, and spot 20 different types of birds. Not joking either. Absolutely not joking. If you sit here and just wait a while, you'll definitely see many different types of common birds, exotic type looking parrots, and big variety. Alrighty, Rob Roscob, catch you next time. Oh, we got the rainbow lorikeets just flew over. Very common. And they are there flying off there in the distance. I don't know if you can see them there. There's a couple of birds coming over. What's these ones? Not sure. Here's the lorikeets again. The lorikeets are above me now, up there somewhere. Unbelievable. Alrighty. If you like bird watching, you don't have to go far, put it that way. Catch you next time. Rob Roscoe, like, subscribe.